This is June 2025 and a lot of financial changes have took effect from 1st of June this month that can directly affect your pocket and your money. Whether you use credit cards, invest in fixed deposits or withdraw money from ATM, every single thing is going to be affected by these June 2025 changes. So hello and welcome back to Boss Wala English. I am Tanisha Sharma and today we are going to talk about the June 2025 financial updates. Let's get started. So firstly, let's talk about the credit card rule changes. So under this, a lot of new charges and reward changes have took place. So let's talk about the three major banks where all these changes will take place. First is Kotak Mahindra Bank. For this bank, the changes will be directly in effect from 1st of June. So for Kotak Mahindra Bank, 1% extra charge on fuel payments if you go over your monthly capacity. And reward points will also be limited for payments like utility, insurance bills and rent. Also new charges for failed standing instructions and a revised calculating method for calculating the minimum amount due. Now let's talk about the HDFC Bank, which will be in effect from June 10th. Okay, so Tata Neu Infinity and Tata Neu Plus credit card users will no longer get direct access to airport lounges. Instead, the lounge access vouchers will be issued only if you meet certain spending milestones every quarter. Next is Axis Bank, which will be directly in effect from June 20th. So if we talk about Flipkart Access Card, there will be more cashback on Myntra, but complimentary lounge access is removed. And if we talk about Rewards Card, there is new exclusion for reward points and tougher conditions for annual fee waiver. And if we also talk about American Express, which will be in effect from June 12th. So you will no longer earn membership reward points on fuel purchases like petrol, diesel, CNG via the MX Gold Charge Card. Well, this was about the credit cards, but second, let's move on to ATM withdrawal changes in June 2025. So if you use ATMs more often, be prepared to pay higher charges. From June 1st, withdrawing money beyond your monthly capacity and your free limit will cost you more. Also, each and every bank has its own rules and set charges. So please go through the bank's website and know about your ATM withdrawal charges. Now the third one is fixed deposit interest charges. So ICICI Bank has reduced its FD interest rates by up to 20 basis points on select tenures. And also, Suryodaya Small Finance Bank has also cut its FD rate for senior citizens. That is from 9.1% to 8.4% on 5-year deposits. Now, the fourth financial change in June 2025 is about LPG prices and SEBI mutual fund timings. So, the oil companies has revised the price of 19 kg commercial LPG cylinders from June 1st. And also, SEBI has changed the cutoff timings for overnight mutual fund. Now the offline transactions cutoff timing is 3 p.m. and online transactions cutoff timing is 7 p.m. Now let's talk about the fifth major financial change. That is Aadhaar update and UPI verification. So online Aadhaar updates like address corrections are free online up to 14th June. After that, charges would be applied, that is 25 rupees for online and 50 rupees for offline. And from June 30th, all UPI apps must show the verified name of the beneficiary before payment. This is to prevent frauds and wrong transactions. Now let's talk about the sixth major change, EPFO. So EPFO is launching EPFO 3.0, which will allow you to withdraw your PF instantly. Also will allow you to check your PF balance and transfer PF through UPI or even through ATMs. This means PF access will become more friendly and faster than ever. Now the seventh major change is about Form 16 and tax filing. So the deadline for employees to issue Form 16 is June 15th, 2025. And if you are a salaried employee, this form is very important for your tax filing. So please make sure you get it on time. Now let's talk about the eighth major change, that is about insurance. So firstly, let's talk about the term insurance, which starts from 600 to 700 rupees monthly and gives you a coverage up to 2 crore rupees. And also it provides up to 15% of discount and 24/7 claim assistance. And also it helps you to compare 51 plus insurance companies. Now let's talk about health insurance, where monthly payment is 400 to 500 rupees and you get a coverage of up to 1 crore rupees. Also, you get up to 25% discount and claim processing is just in 30 minutes. And here also you can compare 51 plus insurance companies. And the link is in my description, so you can go there and compare all different insurance companies, and which you think suits perfect for you, you can choose that one. No recommendations, it's just a free tool for you to make a wiser and safer decision. So this is all for today. These are the changes that are taking place in June 2025 and it can definitely impact your pocket. But what do you think? Which update is going to make the biggest impact on you? Well, this is it for today, and also you should earn more. And what is the best way to earn more? That is doing a business. But doing a business sounds so difficult, right? Well, not anymore, because you can download Bosswala app, where you'll get 500 plus courses which will help you start your business, market your business, get customers and do branding for your business in social media. And it will also help you learn everything that you need to know through video courses and one-on-one video calls with successful business owners who can give you all the information and knowledge that you need. Let us know in the comment section and I'll see you next time. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching.
Bosswala. Be the boss.